Yo guys, we're going on a hike. Sweet. Get some shoes. Aw. These are awesome. I know you. Get this in. Ready to go? Sweet. As our young hero begins his journey, he learns that things aren't so easy. He learns that hiking in the wilderness can be more dangerous than it looks. Definitely not the best idea. Hope these don't get dirty.
No,
Let's go like
there
this.
were two. There were definitely.
Sweet. And done? Sweet. Gotta find the other one. Maybe hiking in these wasn't the best idea. Warming up has never been better. Dramatic music. The goal of this hike is to see a bear. The fabled, mythical bear. Woo! Actually, any wildlife will do. This is kind of difficult. Rip. That works. Let's go. Quick! Back to our... We must make it back safely. Oh! Complete. We're gods. Get the other one off. What a hiking experience.